Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Planner plans with bucket management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Microsoft Planner plans with bucket management, start by opening Microsoft Planner. Select the plan you want to update from your dashboard. Locate the buckets section on the right side of the screen. To add a new bucket, click on the Add New Bucket option. Enter a name for your new bucket and press Enter. To move tasks into the new bucket, click and drag them from their current position. Alternatively, you can select a task and use the drop-down menu to change its bucket. If you want to edit an existing bucket, click on the bucket's name. Make your desired changes and remember to save your edits. To delete a bucket, click on the three-dot menu next to the bucket's name. Select the Delete Bucket option and confirm the action. After you have organized your tasks, review the plan to ensure everything is in its place. You can also customize the color of your buckets for better visual organization. To do this, click on the color icon next to the bucket's name and choose your preferred color. Make sure to regularly review and update your buckets as your project progresses. This will help maintain clarity and ensure that tasks remain organized. With these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Microsoft Planner plans using bucket management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.